Alright, here we go. Today we're going to go over how to do the spark plugs and spark plug wires and the carburetor cleaner on a Daihatsu Mira walkthrough van. The L500, I believe it's probably the same for the L200, or any other Mira with a carburetor, stuff like this. You can see all three spark plugs are easy access right here, 1, 2, 3. The wires just go right there, that's super easy too. The carburetor is under the intake thingy here. I'm going to pull each wire out. They are labeled 1, 2, and 3. So it'll be easy to kind of go off of. They're stuck. Oh. Well. This wire broke. This one's okay. And this one's okay. Let's see. This probably wasn't working very well. Now you can see all three spark plugs clearly. Take the spark plugs out. Just for fun, because I do have this camera, I want to see what's inside. Ooh, it's really carbony in there. This cylinder is all the way up. I can't see anything. Try the second one. Okay. Second one. Lots of carbon on the piston. Here we go. I'm looking up at the hole. You can see that intake valve or exhaust valve. I'm looking at something. I don't know. Look at some valves here. This one's kind of white, this one's kind of sooty, so I'm assuming the exhaust one. Alright, whatever. Looking in the third cylinder here. It's a lot of carbon buildup on that face. There's a lot of stuff in here. Get the new spark plugs, put them in there. Alright, this is the RCDX34 NGK wires. Nice good quality stuff. They do have labels on them, 1, 3, 2. So 1, it was this one, and then by the timing cover, push this in, make sure you get good contact. Pop these guys out. So make sure I get them back in the right way. This one was 1. I'm going to do them one at a time just to be safe, because that way I don't mix them up. Oh yeah. It's 2. I probably should have got a distributor cap and rotor while I was at this, but I didn't think this through. That's fine. Last one is 3. This one has like a clip. This one has a tab that you gotta pull up on to pull out. I'm assuming this is the same here. That looks like there's a tab there. Oops. Yep. Little tab you gotta pull back. I think on this new one, both sides are the same. Just line up the clip. Get that in there. Same with this one. I'm working on the carburetor here. I'm going to take this air cleaner off. I think it's just 4 10mm bolts. Is this the choke? And then there's the accelerator cable, the throttle body underneath. And then there's the butterfly that's down there somewhere. I can't see it. Let's start the car. It is a cold start. Well, as cold as it can be because it's hot out. Yep, that looks like the choke. Looks like the choke. A little dummy. Let's clean it off with this carb cleaner stuff. reconnect somehow. Let's put this back here. Ooh, it's hot. Don't forget that hose back in the intake. There we go. Put this back. I believe this only goes in one way. Yep, it does. There we go. Put that back. Put this back. That screw in the middle is pretty solid. All right, ready to go. All right, let's go for a little drive. I gotta go get some groceries and fill up gas anyways. It's hot. Let's turn on the AC. There we go. All right, let's go. Uphill here, so I guess that wasn't really that good of a test, but I know for a fact this is moving a lot better than it used to. Oh yeah, this is definitely performing better even in third gear. Pretty sure this is third gear. Yeah, let's go get some gas. This is way better. I'm gonna have to try this with the AC too. I hate this intersection. It's alright. Alright, let's see what we got here. We are in third gear. This used to be immensely slower, but this is tolerable. Fill up the tank here. Got myself some seafoam and just might as well run it through here. It says 2 ounces or so per gallon. I think there's like 7 or so gallons that go in here. Let's see what I get. 6.4 gallons. Alright. 2 times 6.4 is roughly 14, 15-ish. So I'm just going to dump the whole can in. Glug, 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 glug. I got 231 kilometers out of this. That accounts for 6.4 gallons. That is 22.5 gallons or something like that. Let's see if the car runs any better with the seafoam and stuff. So that's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will be driving this van a little bit more just to see if that stuff improves it a little bit. I seem to have a short with my subwoofer. Every time the car rocks forward or something, they go thump, thump, thump. Go check that out. Let me know what you guys think about the van. The van has been working very well. I got to finish up that futon thing I'm doing back there, but yeah. I got a lot of stuff to work on. Also the power steering. The car is definitely driving a bunch better. I have the AC on max, and I have this massive load of seltzer waters here, and I can actually accelerate at a decent pace, which is something I never had before. Great success. The car is definitely running a lot better. I have the AC on max, and I'm just driving around a drive. It accelerates at a reasonable pace now. Definitely didn't have this before, so it's definitely working. I probably have a few more things I could tune up on the thing just to make it run a little bit better, but I'm pretty good with it right now. I'm pretty happy. Great success. I'm not saying it's fast. It's still slow, but this is good now. This is good. Even with this massive load of seltzer waters here, there's about 25 12 packs in here with some other random things. So this was a good grocery haul. See you guys next time. It's just trying to hold the milk so that it doesn't fall.